Oh, hello there. Well, today I thought we'd talk about Daniel Bernoulli. Everyone say Bernoulli. Yes, Bernoulli, wonderful. Remember, Daniel Bernoulli was that young scientist who began when he was just 7 years old. Perhaps you're 7 years old and you can begin being a scientist too. Well, one of the favorite things that Daniel Bernoulli loved to study was the motion of liquids. Yes, he would go down to the creek and the stream and watch how the water would flow downstream around the rocks, would make little twirls and whirls. Oh, you love that. So today I thought I would bring some liquid in a bottle. Now, I'm going to take this liquid and I'm going to take the bottles and connect the two. I have a very important little connector here. You can get one of those connectors at the hobby store. I used to try this, Professor STEM did. I used to try this with just a little tape. Did not work. I always got so wet. But watch, I can take my connector and connect two Coca-Cola bottles. Yes. Oh my, there we are. Now, watch what happens when we turn it over and make it spin. Just a little spin, and you can see. Can you see it? It's a tornado in a bottle.